How much should you actually spend on a liquid CPU cooler? It's tricky because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive ones. Today, we're diving into the top 5 liquid CPU coolers under $100 that actually deliver on performance and value. Product number 1, Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360. First up is the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360, priced at $83.99. What caught my eye? This cooler has over 1,800 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating. If you want efficient cooling and reliability, this is worth a serious look. The included P12 Pro fan is not only powerful but also quiet, operating at an impressive airflow of 77 CFM. With an integrated VRM fan helping to cool voltage regulators, you can be sure your setup runs smoothly. Real users love that it keeps their CPUs cool under heavy loads. Now, some people complained about its size, noting it can be a tight fit in smaller cases. Here's the thing though, if you have a mid or full tower, this cooler is a perfect match. This is perfect for you if you're looking for top-tier cooling performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a compact build that might struggle with larger coolers. For the price, it's a solid investment in your CPU's longevity. Now, if the size of the Arctic bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE. Next, we have the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE coming in at just $34.90. With a whopping 4.7-star rating from 3,000 reviews, this one's hard to ignore. If you want something budget-friendly that still packs a punch, this is definitely worth considering. It has two 120 PWM fans that can reach up to 1550 RPM, giving you an airflow of 66.17 CFM, while maintaining a noise level under 26 dB. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're gaming or working on heavy tasks, you want your CPU cool and quiet. However, some users mention that installation can be a bit tricky due to the need for specific mounting plates. Here's my perspective: if you're comfortable with a bit of DIY, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient cooler without spending too much. Skip this one if you prefer a hassle-free installation process. It's a great value for money, keeping your budget intact. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want RGB aesthetics. Product number 3, Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB. Now let's talk about the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB, priced at $92.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars and over 2,200 reviews, it's definitely appealing. If you want aesthetics combined with performance, this cooler is worth a serious look. The Arctic P12 Pro fans deliver powerful airflow up to 77 CFM while running quietly. The VRM fan ensures your voltage regulators stay cool, which is essential for reliable performance. Here's why this matters for you. If you're building a gaming rig that needs to look as good as it performs, this cooler fits the bill. Some users did mention that the RGB setup can be a bit tricky to sync with some motherboards. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a little tinkering, the end result is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want high performance with a side of flair. Skip this one if RGB doesn't matter to you. It's a fantastic value considering the performance and aesthetics. Next up, if you're looking for something that's easy to set up without the RGB fuss, check out the next cooler on our list. Product number 4, Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB. Next is the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB, retailing for $99.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 1,800 reviews, this one is highly regarded. If you want a trusted brand with solid performance and elegant design, this cooler is worth checking out. The RS120 fans are designed to create high airflow and static pressure, making them perfect for cooling even under heavy loads. Here's why this matters. When you're gaming or rendering, you need reliable cooling. However, some users noted it can be a bit complicated to install if you're new to liquid cooling. Here's my take: if you're willing to follow the instructions and take your time, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you value brand reliability and performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play option. It's a solid buy with great performance. Lastly, if you want a more budget-friendly alternative that still looks great, stick around for the final product. Product number 5. Cooler Master 360 L-Core AIO. Finally, we have the Cooler Master 360 L-Core AIO priced at $67.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's got a lot going for it. If you want a reliable cooler that merges performance with a clean design, this one's worth a look. Plus, it includes a premium cryo-fused thermal paste with exceptional thermal conductivity, ensuring optimal heat transfer from your CPU. Here's why this matters. Better cooling means better performance, especially during gaming sessions. Some users felt the lighting could be more vibrant. Here's the thing though, if you want solid performance over flashy lights, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cooler that performs well on a budget. Skip this one if you're set on RGB options. For the price, you're getting excellent value. So to wrap it up, the Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 is excellent for high performance. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SC is a budget pick with great cooling. The Arctic Liquid Freezer III Pro 360 ARGB adds flair to your build. The Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB is reliable and quiet. And the Cooler Master 360 L-Core AIO is a solid choice for those who want value. Each of these coolers has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.